Hello, and thank you for joining me today. If you're listening right now, you've already taken an important step, an open heart and mind. So, let's get right in. Have you ever stopped to think about the words you speak to yourself every day? We're often so busy talking to others or thinking about what's coming next, that we don't pay attention to the quiet, internal dialogue we have with ourselves. Yet, those words, those thoughts, have more power than we often realize. Your words shape your reality. And in this moment, you have the opportunity to speak blessings upon yourself, which, in turn, can change your entire life. It may seem simple at first, speaking blessings, but there is a deeper truth here. The words you use carry energy. When you speak, whether out loud or in your thoughts, you are essentially programming your mind and setting the tone for your life. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, or that success is far out of reach, that is what you will continue to experience. But if you change the words you use, if you speak blessings, you begin to shift the energy around you. You begin to change your life from the inside out. When you bless yourself, you're not just wishing for something. You're affirming that you deserve good things. You're aligning yourself with the abundance and love that the universe is always offering. In this moment, start to believe that you are worthy of everything you desire. Say it with conviction, I am worthy of love, success, and peace. Say it until you believe it, until you feel the truth of those words resonate deeply within you. Now, think about how powerful your words can be, not just for yourself, but for those around you. We often bless others with kind words, but we forget that the greatest blessing we can give is the one we offer ourselves. Imagine speaking to yourself the way you would speak to your best friend. Would you criticize them constantly? Would you tell them they can't achieve their dreams? Or would you encourage them, lift them up, and remind them of their inner strength? Start doing that for yourself. Start recognizing your own worth and speaking those blessings into existence. In the same way, you can transform your life by speaking blessings into your world. Every thought you have, every word you speak, sends out an energy that attracts energy back to you. If you fill your life with words of love, peace, and joy, that's what you will draw into your life. When you wake up in the morning, instead of saying, I have to get through the day, try saying, I am excited for today's opportunities. Instead of focusing on what's missing, speak about the abundance that surrounds you. I am grateful for all that I have, and I am open to receiving more. These simple shifts in the way you speak will begin to shape your world in ways you never imagined. The key here is to understand the power that resides within you. Your mind is not a passive observer of the world, it's an active creator. Your thoughts are the blueprints for everything that comes into your life. This is not a concept that requires you to wait for some perfect moment to begin. You can start right now. At this very moment, choose your words carefully. Speak blessings over yourself and watch how your life starts to change. You see, you are not bound by the limitations that others may have placed on you. You are not defined by your past. Every moment is an opportunity for you to redefine yourself, to choose a new path, to speak a new reality into existence. The words you speak today are creating the life you will live tomorrow. So, speak wisely. Speak with purpose. Speak with love. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're facing a difficult situation. Perhaps you're unsure about the future, or you're experiencing challenges that seem overwhelming. Instead of focusing on fear, doubt, or negativity, choose to speak blessings into the situation. Say to yourself, I trust that everything is working out for my good. I am capable, I am strong, and I will overcome this. These words may seem simple, but they hold tremendous power. When you speak to them, you align yourself with the solution, not the problem. You shift your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to faith. And this isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your inner world with the outer world. When you speak blessings, you are not only transforming your mindset, but you're also shifting the energy that surrounds you. And that energy influences everything in your life, from your relationships, to your health, to your career, and beyond. The more you speak blessings, the more blessings you will receive. There is something incredibly profound about the act of speaking blessings aloud. It is a declaration of trust in yourself and in the universe. When you speak blessings, you are affirming that you believe in your own power, in your ability to create the life you desire. It is an act of self-love and self-empowerment. And the more you practice it, the more your life will reflect that belief. Of course, it's easy to say blessings when everything is going well. The real test comes when you're faced with challenges or adversity. But this is where the true power of speaking blessings lies. When things aren't going your way, that's when you need to speak even more strongly. You need to remind yourself that you are not your circumstances, that you have the power to rise above them. In those moments, speak blessings with even more conviction. Speak them until they become your truth. Another important point to consider is that when you speak blessings over yourself, you are also speaking them over others. The energy you put out into the world affects everyone around you. When you speak words of love, encouragement, and kindness, you're not just changing your life, you're helping to change the lives of those you interact with. This is how you begin to create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance. You don't have to be perfect at this. The goal is not to speak only the right words or to avoid any negative thoughts. It's about the intention behind your words. It's about taking responsibility for the energy you bring into the world. So, even on the days when you feel down or discouraged, continue to speak blessings. It may feel unnatural at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, it's not about pretending that everything is perfect. It's about acknowledging the power you have to change your circumstances. By speaking blessings, you are taking an active role in shaping your life. You are telling the universe, I am ready to receive all that is good. I am ready for abundance, for love, for joy. And the more you speak those words, the more they will manifest in your life. To truly understand the depth of this practice, you need to realize that words are not just sounds. They are vibrations, frequencies that carry energy. When you speak, you send out a wave of energy that can either lift you up or bring you down. The more you speak blessings, the higher your vibration becomes. And when your vibration is high, you attract more of the same energy. This is why it's so important to speak blessings over yourself. It raises your vibration and draws in the good things that are already waiting for you. If you want to see real change in your life, start by changing the way you speak to yourself. Start speaking blessings, and you will begin to notice a shift in your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. You will begin to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles, and you will start to believe in your ability to create the life you desire. The words you speak are not just words, they are the building blocks of your reality. So, choose them wisely. Speak blessings, and watch how your life transforms. When you begin to believe that the life you desire is not only possible but already on its way to you, you become a magnet for that life. Your thoughts align with the reality you are creating, and your words, backed by belief, draw in opportunities, love, and abundance. The challenge is to stay committed. It's easy to slip back into old patterns of thought and speech, especially when life throws curveballs your way. But the key is persistence. Don't give up on speaking blessings, even when it seems like things aren't changing right away. Trust in the process. Trust that the words you speak are slowly but surely shaping your reality. I encourage you to commit to this practice and watch how your life shifts. Start changing the way you speak to yourself and notice how the world begins to respond to your new energy. The universe is ready to provide, all you have to do is ask with the right words and the right belief. And before you go, if you found value in today's message, please show your support by liking this video. Your support helps this message reach more people who could benefit from hearing it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. By subscribing, you ensure you stay updated with more powerful insights like these. You can also share this with a friend or loved one who might need a little encouragement. Remember, speaking blessings isn't just for you, it can uplift others as well. Start today. Right now. Speak a blessing upon yourself, and allow that blessing to guide you toward the life you've always dreamed of. You have the power. You have the ability. And now, you know how to use it.